we're unboxing the BONAOK Ultimate Karaoke Microphone from Amazon. It came in this box. I just took it out of the box, but I was like, unboxing. This is what it looks like. It's $30, $31. It was $30.99. Let's open. Okay, come on, case. It says BONAOK. I don't know how to say it. BONAOK. Comes with this little hanger, so you can hang it from your bag. It's black and red. I don't know if the case determine like what color you get of the microphone determines the color of the case, but I got it in black. Okay, so here's the microphone. Comes with a little cushion for the microphone. Show your wonderful life via a microphone. And then cables. Looks like a headphone jack cable and a USB cable. Also comes with a little instruction pamphlet. I'm pretty sure this was made in China because it says made in China. It says made in China on the box. So the directions, please have some English. All I see is Chinese. Oh, I see some English. Yeah, so it comes with a user manual, which I'll definitely be reading. Thank you for your purchase. To get 25% off your next purchase. Little card. Alright, let's look at the microphone. Wow. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is the face. The face? I don't know. I'm not very tech involved. I'm kind of tech involved. It comes with the power button, mode, echo, music. Let me show. Mode, echo, music, playback, play, pause, mode. Oh! I don't know why I thought I had to charge it. Echo, I do not. I don't really like echo. Yeah, so I cannot wait to play around with this more. Girl, you can, this is a speaker, by the way. The speaker is surrounded by it. I love that. Volume, 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 volume. Let me put this thing on. You can like, this is Bluetooth. So the girls can, this is karaoke. You can hook this up to YouTube, play a song. So today, that definitely makes it more official. I feel like a newscaster. So far, 10 out of 10. I'm gonna have to play with it some more, but right now I'm happy with my $30 purchase because I feel authoritative.